wasn't for you, he would have grown up to be a pansy just like his dad.
Exactly.
Luckily, Ronnie Max showed up.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome fall.
All right, guys, here we go, back at it again. Thursday Night Motocross, PIR. Luke's first race since his Ryan Villopoto training camp. Mason's not here, unfortunately. Mason's not riding because he's banged up. The one bad thing about Mason being hurt is that I don't have to worry about him getting hurt since he's already hurt. That's the one good thing. This is Luke's first practice session right now. There's gonna be one moto tonight. So one practice and then one moto.
Wake up in the morning, have a hearty breakfast, think about the nightmares that I didn't finish. New day, same problems, man, it never ends. Everybody wants a piece and they never settle. What I'm giving out, it always seems too little. Give me more is what they all say. You can't have all of me, my thoughts, my job, my family. You can't have all of me, I need a little for myself. These bills, man, it's such a chore. By the time I write the check, I already owe more. And there's always people taking up my time. I already lost my patience, now I'm gonna lose my mind.
All right, guys, I got somebody here I want to publicly thank, Ronnie Mac, because I paid good money for my son to go to the Ryan Villopoto training camp.
Yeah,
he
he
didn't
learned
learn
everything.
anything.
But he
from
learned
Ryan
everything
Villopoto.
when he saw me ride.
Yeah, luckily Ronnie Mac showed up, taught him a ton.
I had to
Way
set the kids
faster.
straight and tell them, you know, they're telling them all these bogus techniques.
Right.
You know, I tell the kids what works.
If it wasn't for you, he would have grown up to be a pansy just like his dad.
Exactly.
Luckily, Ronnie Mac showed up.
Hey,
So-
you know what? Everybody may have a shitty dad, but everyone's got a good uncle, your Uncle Ron.
you.
So if you need any advice, come to your Uncle Ron.
A breeze. Woo! It is Ryan Breeze gets like a Hoosier tire hole shot in there. Harryman in the number 2 spot. Kevin Harryman finally getting a start here. Race 1. Breeze going sideways. Over the winner. Then you got Breeze, Harryman, and Stanky, your top 3 riders. Here they go,
We got our buddy Grant lining up for the 85 beginner. Number 28, he got a horrible gate pick all the way on the outside. Let's see how he does with it.
Put your hands together. We're going to keep it going. I'm just trying to stay fit and healthy and be patient out here. The track's developing quick and the sun's right there on the edge of your goggles, so it's a little tricky. I had a mishap on this tabletop.
Looks like he got a good jump, but couldn't really do anything with it on the outside. He's got his work cut out for him. All right, guys, so we got race 5 going on right now. Luke is in race 10, so we got a little bit of time, but there's nothing to do. It's like, you know that feeling like you got nothing to do but just wait? So that hour right before the race just seems to take forever. But anyways, I'm really happy with the way Luke's riding. After the training, I do feel he got faster. I do feel he picked up a little bit of speed from that 3-day training. But even more than that, I feel like he's just a more solid rider. He's safer. He's not like, what's up, man? You want a picture?
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I video us getting a picture?
Oh yeah.
Right on, what's your name?
Hunter.
Hunter?
Videos, yeah.
Oh, cool, guys. Appreciate that. Morgan?
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, let's do it, buddy. You got it. What's your name? Colton. Colton? Yeah. I seriously did not like ask them to do that or anything. What's up, man?
We're out here, we're motoing, 2019, baby.
2019,
we're at
all the
PIR.
way. He knows what's up, you know what I'm
Hella
saying?
people here, bro.
Yeah.
It's lit.
What is going on these days? Can't a guy vlog anymore? Okay, so what I was trying to say is that I feel like Luke has more speed, but even more important than that, he's way less sketchy. He's able to go the same amount of speed, but comfortably, so he doesn't have to take risks, so he should do way better tonight. You guys want to hear what I just decided just right now? If I have a race again, it would be in this class right here. It would be in the retro class. Here's why. I want to stay away from the 250 beginner class. Those guys are just way too sketchy. I'd get taken out. But I'm not fast enough for the 250 junior class. There's the 30 plus or over the hill class, but those guys are just retired pros. Like, they're faster than the juniors probably. So I think this will be the class for me. Grab an old 250 two-stroke, hop in the retro class. That's what I would do.
We will
set that as they come through. Thanks, Corey.
All right, here we go, guys. This is it. We got one moto tonight. Just got one race. There's 7 other kids in the 65 beginner class. The other kids are in the intermediate class. So the ones that are really fast, he doesn't have to worry about. But he's got 7 kids in his class. We're hoping for a good result tonight. So I just reminded him to start in 2nd gear. He told me he wants to start in 1st gear. So we'll see how he does in this start. If nothing else, he'll learn for next time, I guess.
Oh no. Oh, one rider goes down in the first corner.
Looks like we're starting in the back of the pack. Let's see what he can do with this. If I had to guess, I'd say he started in 5th. I think one person got around him. So from what I could tell from my angle, it looks like he might be in 6th.
You can have all of me, my boss, my job, my family. You can have all of me. I need a little for myself. You can have all of me, my soul, my time, and my money. You can have all of me. I need a little
So as far as like the result goes, I don't think he's gonna be too happy with that, but I'm happy because I think that was the fastest I've ever seen him ride on this track. Competition was good, there was a lot of fast kids, and he stayed upright, he did a good job, so I'm stoked on that.